Write the dual for the following primal. So earlier we have done for maximization. Primal was maximization and we have written the dual which was a minimization problem. So it is given like this. The objective function minimize z is equal to 20 x1 35 x2. Subject constraints. What are those constraints? 3x1 plus 2x2 greater than or equal to 15, 1.5 x1 plus 3x2 greater than or equal to 20, and 4x1 minus 0.5 x2 less than or equal to 28, where x1 and x2 are non-negativity restrictions. So now we'll write the dual for the primal of minimization problem, which will get maximization. So to convert primal of any minimization problem into a dual. All the constraints should be in the form of greater than or equal to. However, we see one constraint is in the form of less than or equal to. So we have to convert that into greater than or equal to half. So how we are going to do that? First of all, we'll take that equation 4x1 minus 0.5 x2 should be less than or equal to 25. So by multiplying both the equations, multiplying both sides of equation with -1, we can convert the form into greater than or equal to. So it is start this into this. So now it becomes -1 into 4x1 minus 0.5 x2 is equal to -1. Sorry, this is not, this should be less than or equal to, so 28. So now it becomes 4x1 plus 0.5 x2 is greater than or equal to -28. Now we'll write the dual. So obviously we have to write the objective function. Objective function should be maximization, because when minimization is the primal, then maximization should be dual. So we'll write maximize z, we'll write with y, because this is dual, is equal to 15y1 plus 20y2 minus 28y3. When we observe this 15, 20 and 28 came from this constraints only. Now as usually we will write subject to constraints, subject to constraints. What are those constraints? 3y1 plus 1.5y2 minus 4y3 is equal to, we are taking them with their signs also. So then 2y1 plus 3y2 plus 0.5y3 less than or equal to 28, where y1 comma y2 and y3 are non-negativity restrictions. So we'll mention like this: y1 is greater than or equal to 0, y2 is greater than or equal to 0, and y3 is greater than or equal to 0. This is a standard procedure that in every problem we have to follow. Y3, while formulating or while converting primal into dual, we have to write this form. This is the standard formula.